Why linear perspective is a lie and how this affects your art. Linear perspective is a lie because it's not what you see when you look around you. As soon as you move your gaze, perspective shifts. For example, if you draw a house, the window in front of you will be in a one-point perspective with parallel edges. The top window will appear in a two-point perspective. The top edge is smaller because it's further away from you and the sides converge. The top left window is in a three-point perspective with no parallel edges. Drawing a house in one perspective can feel like you're trying to nail jelly to a wall. That's not because you can't draw, it's because you need to separate the truth of what you see from the lie you're trying to create. We look at 3 ways of dealing with it. 1. Use the so-called 5-point perspective. This is close to what you actually see. It looks weird because straight edges appear curved. Few people use it and it's fun. Look it up online if you want to try it. 2. Don't move your gaze. Hold out a sheet of writing paper at arm's length. What is covered by the paper is what you can draw accurately in perspective, because you can do so without looking around. This usually means you have to move far away and the resulting perspective is flat, because relatively speaking, everything is more or less the same distance away from you. 3. Fake it. This is what everybody does, whether they know it or not. You pick a roughly appropriate perspective and then stick with it. If you do this, don't take measurements from real life. Linear perspective is a lie and you are faking it, so real measures don't necessarily apply in your drawing, and using them typically gets you into problems. Instead, look at what you see and try to make that happen in the drawing by using the perspective rules and by eyeballing it. Your drawing is a lie, so don't try to make it realistic, make it believable.